Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on how to use the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how you add business open hours. I've uploaded here a templated website. If I scroll down this website here, you can see at the bottom here that business hours have been added. Let me now show you how this is done. Business hours are added via widgets. So if I go to widgets, I can type up here business hours, or I can scroll down to business, and here I see business hours, and I'm just going to drag this in. So I've now added in the business hours. It looks very similar to this one here. So you can choose how you build your list, either online or build your own. We can start the week on a Monday, Saturday or Sunday. Let's start on the Monday. You can use a 24-hour clock or AM, PM. Let's use a 24 hours. You can combine days with identical opening hours. So you can add all the days of the week. Title business hours. And then you can change the working hours during the day. So the Monday is from 9 to 1700. Tuesday, we might want to be open to 6. And so forth. You can change every day of the week. Wednesday, we might be closed. And Thursday might be by appointment only. So you can see as you change these change over here as well. So it's very flexible. Let's now look at the design of this. We can change the description, font, the font size, might want it bigger. The font color, it's appropriate to have it white in this case. You can have it bold, underlined, or italics. You can change the alignments. Then you might want to give the business hours a background color. Let's go with this. And you might want a border. You might want to change the color of the border. In terms of the title, again, you can change the font, the size, the color, the format. Let's have this bold. You can change the alignment. Let's have it in the center. You can add some animation to the working hours. On this animation, we have two triggers. We have entrance and scroll. Entrance means that when you come to this part of the page, it will actually trigger the animation. We might want an animation, we might want it to slide in from the right. We can change the duration, delay, and intensity. And we can review our animation. And you can add some spacing. It might be useful to add the spacing here because you can notice the text is very close to the border. To change the spacing here, it's what's called padding. And padding is this bit here, the grey area here. And let's just make it 20 pixels all the way around. I've added 20 pixels all the way around, and now you can see there's a clear space between the text and the outside of the box. If you would like to change the size of the business hours, you can actually drag it as well. And as you can see, it's to the left of the page at the moment. You can change where this shows by clicking this in the design, by clicking this wheel. You can have it to the left, to the center, or to the right. Let's have it in the center. Let's now see what this looks like in preview. There we have. So there was the one we started off with, the standard one in the template, and this is one we've just put together. Of course, if you want to update the existing one, you just right-hand mouse click button. You can edit the content, as we've just done, and you can change the design, as we've just done. So that's how you add business hours to your website.